We are now number 8 of tutorial 4.2, right? 4.2. And remember, we agreed that all of you would do it as homework, and I'm sure all of you have done it, I believe, right? Okay. We are now here just to check that we all have done it correctly. So for number 8, right? For number 8, in order to work out the carrying capacity, we want to rewrite our DE, okay. We want to rewrite our DE as dy dt equals to, right? You remember the form is k, L minus y and then y, right? So now we want to rewrite our equation into that form. So we need to write down this as A, and then you're going to have right, B. Okay, we're going to take up B. B, we need B and A as well. Okay, if I, come in. Oh, sure. Okay, sorry. Left behind something, I guess. Okay, right. So we want to rewrite it so that it conforms to this. Okay, let's take out the y and put it behind. If you take out the y, right, you'll be left with you take out the b as well. Take out b as well, right? So you can have a over b minus y, and therefore the carrying capacity. So the carrying capacity therefore is a over b, right? Then in this question, unlike those that we've done before, in this question we want to find the second derivative. So from the first derivative, right, to find the second derivative means d2y over dt squared, right? Means you differentiate what you have above is a. You are differentiating with respect to time t minus 2by dy dt, and then we want to take out the common factor 2by, and in place of dy dt we are going to write as ay minus dy squared. Right, that's simple. I'm just replacing the dy dt using the original. Right. Okay. Sure. Now you can close the windows, right? The aircon, is it working? Let's close the windows. Analysis on the side. Yeah, let's close the windows. Okay. So now we have another DE. Let's try to rewrite this DE the usual way. The n is like the y we have in the standard logistic model DE. Okay. What do we need to remove? We need to remove. Okay. We're going to take out b again. Take out b. So it's 3b n. Then we have 5. Right. So then greatest rate of change occurs at L over 2 right now. The L in this case, L is equals to 5 over B. So this implies that 5 over b divided by 2 is equals to 4, and so the b is equals to 5 over 8. Okay. Okay. So for number 10, right? For number 10, they say it follows a logistic model. So I can say that I can say that therefore dp dt is equal to k l minus p and then times p. Okay. Then you're given scenarios. You're given two scenarios, no? P value and a dp. Okay, p value and the dp dt values. dp dt. What are the p values that we have? 50 and 100. At 50, we are told that the dp dt is 10. At 100, this is 15. So from here, right? From here, we can form two simultaneous equations. So say 10 is equals to k into L minus 50 times 50. This is my equation 1. The next one is 15 is equals to k L minus 100 times 100. This is my equation 2. Okay. So you want to solve for k and L. So one way to go about it to solve this question, right, is to take equation 2 divided by equation 1. So you get 3 over 2 is equals to 2 of L minus 100 over L minus 50. Okay. From which we can find the value of L. Okay, 3L, 2L. 3L minus 2L minus 150 minus 150 minus 100 minus 100. Okay, 3L, 4L. So L is equals to a I think it's 250. Is it? Check for me. Is it 250? 250, right? If we give you 250 and 100, give you 150, 150, and then this could be 200, 300 over 200. I think it's right. L is 250, right? But L is 250, then you can get that K is equals to 200, 1000, 1 over 1000. Check my calculation, you know. Chenyan is, am I right? Okay, so then therefore, from here, right, therefore, okay, no space, no space. So hence or therefore, okay, finally, therefore, dp dt is equals to 1 over 1000 times 250 minus p times p. That's my final answer. Okay, that was number 10. So if you have tried it ahead of time, you find that actually it's not that bad, you know, it's quite alright, these 3 questions. And these 3 questions are a good wrap up of logistic model. Yes. What is K 1 over 1000, is it? I put L as 250 into equation 1. Check my calculation. Check for me, yeah, to make sure that I'm right. Okay. Mahir, did you try ahead of time? You tried that? Okay. Great. And that brings us to the end of chapter 4 tutorial. As I told you, the next tutorial, our KIV, I want to see what my colleagues say tomorrow, because we have a meeting tomorrow. I'm going to ask them about the coverage tomorrow.